Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how we can create faceless YouTube shorts using Canva. So guys, if you are new on my channel then please go ahead and hit subscribe button down. So without wasting any time, let's start. So guys, right, we can create faceless YouTube shorts using Canva. So guys, open canva.com and create an account or log in into this platform using your social login like Google or Facebook, and then you are going to see this page. Now guys, over here in the search section you need to type YouTube shorts. Okay, this is the thing you need to type, and now you need to click on YouTube shorts, and if you see the resolution is 1080 into 1920 pixels, and click on it. Once you click on it, then this particular page will show, that is YouTube Shorts template. Over here, you'll get different types of YouTube Shorts templates which you can use in your YouTube Shorts. So some of the templates are paid one. You can see the templates shows Pro. That means they are the paid one. And to use them, you need to be on Canva paid plan. But there are many free ones available, so you can use them. So let me select one. Also guys, I forgot to tell you, you can also filter using this basically this particular filter. Like if you want modern creative one, you can also select travel, fun, and there are many more, so you can filter out also. Now let me use this one. Okay, so I'll click on this. So as soon as I click on it, then I'll get a pop-up like this. Now I need to click on customize this template. So a new window will open in the browser, and it will show this particular canvas to me, and it has the template which we had selected. Now guys, if you see, there are different elements on top of it. There is an image, there is a text, and there is some graphics also. So now let me play this and see how it looks first. So I'll click on this play button in the timeline. So there, so guys, it plays. Okay, and now also we have this particular music also. I'll, I'll remove this particular music, or I'll mute it, because to avoid any copyright strikes. Okay, so I have muted it. Now guys, I'll play this. Okay, so there you go. So it shows beautifully. There you go. Okay, now let's see how we can customize this. So guys, you saw we don't need to show our face in a YouTube shorts also. So now let me customize it and show you how we can do that. Okay, if you have a particular message to tell, then you can change it over here. Like I'll say learn learn to create shorts. Okay, this is how we change the text. Okay, you just need to click on the text and change the text. I can give different color also, and even I can make it bold, italic, and all. See, italic, all the fonts changes I can do. Even I can change the font family also over here. Even I can change the alignment to left, right, center, whatever I want. Now we can give even the effects to it. So select the text and click on effects. And guys, you can see different types of effects we can give. Okay. Now let me tell you, we can also change the basically image which is there over here. Okay. So how do we do that? So if you see this particular image, it's over here. So I need to click on the edit video. So guys, please note that this is not an image. It is the actual video which has been added over here. So if you have a new video, then you can edit, just drag and drop, or just click on delete to delete this video. And now guys, download a video from Pixabay or Pixels. So let me show you from where you can download. So open Google and type Pixabay or Pixels. Okay, Pixabay. Okay, there you go. So guys, on this particular website, you are going to get copyright free images and videos. So if you want images, then select images. If you want basically videos, then select videos and search. I'll say travel. Okay. Now you are going to get all the copyright free basically videos on this particular website. You can download them and you can use it free. You don't even need to give any attribution back to Pixabay. Okay, once you download them, just drag and drop the basically video over here, and then drag it over here, and you can customize and you can play. Similarly, there are other pages also. So if you select the other page, and then also you can replace the video, and even you can replace the text. This is how you can customize the basically all the elements. If you have, if you want to add more elements, then you can add it over here. Just click on elements and search what you want, and I'll say travel. Okay, and under over here I need to select graphics, and now I'm going to get all the graphics element, and I'll add this. Okay, so I will increase the size also. Now we can just place it wherever we want. Select the element and just drag it where you want. Okay, we can also change the color of it. So now let me make it white. Okay, so I have made it white, and let me give it some animation also. So there you go. Okay, we have given the animation, guys. Now let's play this. Okay, so there you go. So this is the text that we had added, but if you see, it's not showing properly. Okay, now let's see what is the issue. Okay, now let's select the text, and if you see, currently it might be okay. Now it is left aligned, so it was justified. The alignment was justified. So now let me play it. Okay, so I have to play. Click on play, and there you go, guys. So now the next page will played. Okay, and we can see the graphics element also. So guys, similarly you can customize this particular video, and basically the template I mean, and you can upload on YouTube Shorts. So faceless YouTube Shorts you can create inside Canva. So guys, you know, to download this, click on share, and then click on download, and download the MP4 format over here. So guys, then upload it on YouTube as YouTube Shorts. So that's all in this video. I hope this video was helpful to you in learning how we can create faceless YouTube Shorts using Canva. Guys, please go ahead and subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get all notifications of my new videos. Thank you.